Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a big yellow bus. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the top part of the bus by following the dotted line. Next, draw the bottom part, but don't forget to leave space for the wheels. Now, draw two big wheels. Then, add 4 windows to the bus. Finally, draw small round headlights at the front. Great job! Our bus sketch is ready. Now let's color it in. Start by coloring the whole bus yellow. Use dark brown to color both wheels. Then, color the 4 windows light blue. All done! How is it? Drawing our bus wasn't so hard, right? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time!